Hello, welcome on our 30-day down dog yoga challenge. And today my team start to sound pretty serious, huh? We're doing all the sessions together every day. Leave the comments below. And yeah, we're ready to start right now. In your stand-up position, legs as wide as you feel is comfortable for you. And now left arm, inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And now right, feel nice stretch, both left and right side. Inhale and exhale, right stretching for every day in the morning to slowly mobilize your spine, lower back, wake your body for the day. Maybe one more, inhale and exhale. Lift your arms, slowly pull your shoulders back and down. Inhale and exhale. One more, inhale, slowly exhale. Bring your feet together, try to play some balance. Inhale, exhale. Trick is pull your knees in, press your heels against each other. So instead of two separate, you've got one strong leg. Now the point is, where is your strength? Where is your balancing point? Here. So you need to engage all your muscles around your hips, your abs and your glutes. Don't think about lifting your heels, think about lifting your hips. Inhale, slowly exhale down. Inhale and exhale. Excellent. Maybe one more. Perfect. And now strong right leg to lift your left. Doesn't matter how high, we try to keep a good balance on your one leg. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. And now, strong left leg, so work with your quadriceps, work with your glutes. Inhale and exhale. It's all about strong muscles here, because that's the secret for strong balance. Inhale and exhale, maybe one more. Perfect. And now on your floor, hands underneath your shoulders, knees with your hips width apart. Inhale and exhale, move back. Inhale and exhale. You can keep your palms still facing forward or try a slight rotation with your hands out. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. And now again, palms facing forward to down dog position, march on the spot. You can still march or try to move to plank. Inhale, exhale. Doesn't have to be straight away full plank, but just a few inches forward. So you're leaning some balance on your arms. Inhale, exhale. Maybe you're still holding your knees bent. If you're a beginner, you just started with us a few weeks ago, that's okay. If you need to stop, take a break. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Bring your knees on the floor. Now left leg forward. Left hand on your leg. Strong glutes on your right side. Inhale. And exhale to your left. Inhale. And exhale. Again, it's all about the stability. So as much as you're trying to bend to your left, you're squeezing buttocks muscles. On your right even more. Inhale. And exhale. And change the side. Left side. Squeeze it, glutes. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more. Excellent. Let's change position. Laying down on your belly. Hands together. And you're trying to move your leg out and in, squeezing glutes. Inhale and exhale. You can rest your forehead on your hands, or if your lower back is fine, try to keep your chest higher. All depends how is the mobility in your spine, how is the strength in your lower back. Buttocks muscles nice and strong. Inhale, exhale. Maybe one more. Right, left. And we're trying our variation for up dog position for now. So maybe it's mini cobra. That's a good start. Maybe ready to lift your chest off the floor, but elbows close to you, shoulders down. If you've got the feeling you're ready to lift your hips, hands lower of your ribcage area. So that's the way to going up. Inhale. And exhale, whatever option works for you, okay? Make sure lower back is happy with this position. Forearms pressing to change position to low child pose to stretch the lower back. Stretch your arms in front of you. Control your abdominal muscles. Check how is your head position. If you're dropping down to the floor, or better, if you've got muscles in your neck active, so your head is between your arms but of the floor. Okay, on your four. Left leg forward. You're going to place your left hand on your knee, and you're going to twist your right side. Inhale, slowly exhale. Again, you're squeezing glutes on your left. Inhale and exhale. Another great movement exercise, stretching for healthy back. Inhale and exhale. Okay, change the side. Okay, right hand, right knee. Inhale to your left. Slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. And one more. And again, lie down. Whatever working for you. If you've got enough, go to child pose. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. Inhale. Exhale on your foot. Tuck your toes under and try to go to the down dog position. Inhale and exhale. Maybe two more. Inhale and exhale. And child pose now to stretch your lower back, glutes and your hips. If you're stretching arms, reaching forward, you're adding stretching in your upper body as well. And slowly stand up. Feet with your shoulders width apart. Inhale, arms up. Slowly exhale, bend your elbows, hold the stretch. Shoulders down, pull your elbows in. Control your breaths. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Lift and relax. Lift your shoulders and relax. Okay, so thank you for today. We're hoping you're enjoying every single day with yoga. If yes, please give us a thumbs up and please leave the comments if you're doing by yourself, only yourself. Maybe you've got some company, friends, family, some pets as well, cats, dogs. Let us know, okay? So thank you for now and we will see you tomorrow for more yoga every day. Bye guys.